Well, good, look at that. I'm trying to hide the chins. Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Dan's Haunted Cottage. Today finds me...
Not Dan's Haunted Cottage.
Dan's Haunted Cottage. It is Dan's Haunted Cottage. It's the name of my channel.
Tell them that Dan's Haunted Cottage is a hotel for today.
I'm going to. I'm just about to tell them that, you Nana boat. Right, okay. As Fox quite rightly said, we are in a hotel. Loosely hotel. It's a travel lodge. It's cheap and cheerful. That's what we go for, me in particular anyway. So we're here today. We're actually just outside York. And we are... Let me sit up a little bit. Let me go this way. We are outside York. And...
we aren't outside.
we are. Okay, we're not. We are outside. And the reason we're here, the reason we're in York today is because this is my birthday treat. Last week was my birthday. I was 32. And, yeah, I've had a hard life before you say anything. Anyway, I was 32. I wished. And Hazel asked me what I wanted to do or what I wanted for my birthday. And it was a bit... Couldn't really do it last week because there was a lot going on. So I said to Hazel, I asked Hazel, would it be all right if we went to York? Yeah, he got sick. Apparently, he did get sick. Thanks for that, Fox. His little tummy on the way up, it was not great. Travel sickness. Anyway, I digress. So we are on our way to... Hazel asked me where I wanted to go, and I said I would like to go to the... what's the museum called, Hazel?
What?
What's it called? The museum we're going to. National Railway Museum. National Railway Museum. That is what I wanted to do for my birthday. And that, Hazel kindly booked us a hotel room for a couple of evenings. And it allows me a full day to immerse myself in all that is train related. Fox, you're going to love going to see the trains because you love trains like me, don't you?
No.
Yes, he does. He does.
No,
He's train
because
mad.
if they go fast, I don't. If they go fast, I do like them, and if they go slowly, I don't like them.
I won't get your hopes up.
That makes perfect sense. I think there is... You what, sorry?
So I won't get your hopes up because I don't think many of them go anywhere.
No, they don't go that far, so they don't go fast. But yeah, I like fast trains. I like slow trains. I like fast trains. Anyway, we both like fast trains and slow trains. So that's what we're doing for my birthday treat. We're here in York. Hazel's quite kindly treated me to it, and we're here for a couple of days. And one whole day is going to be spent in the National Railway Museum, where they have lots and lots of trains and railway related memorabilia. So join us today. I'm going to have to get myself out of my pit and get ready and go see some trains. See ya when we
Well, you're right there dancing in the background, Willow. Is that because you're excited about going to see loads of trains?
I'm looking at my phone.
I didn't think it was. It's not her thing, trains. Right, so we are in the car. We are underway. I've dragged myself out of my pit and showered and shaved yesterday, so I'm not doing that again. And we won't forget about you. Are you looking forward to seeing the trains?
I'm looking.
Whoa, they've got my favourite train there, one of them. They got the Mallard. Yeah, it's a big blue train. It's beautiful. World's fastest steam train. Holds the world record. Excellent. Right, so we are on our way now. Hazel is bubbling with excitement about seeing these trains. Look at her, she's oozing it. Over the top with it, Draw it back in. Right, Willow's looking forward to the trains. Hazel's looking forward to the trains. I can take them or leave them.
And don't forget my superpower.
Apparently, what superpower?
My green superpower.
I think he's on about Gecko, one of those boy. What's it?
Gecko.
PJ Masks, apparently. I know nothing about the PJ Masks. But yes, PJ Masks is on about. So we're on our way to the train museum. Yay! So everybody go, we're on our way to the train museum. Yay! It's just me then. Right, okay. Never mind, I'll enjoy it.
Excited about tomorrow.
Oh, right, good for you. You should go to see Chocolate Museum tomorrow or something. Chocolate Factory or something, I don't know. Anyway, speak to you when we've arrived. The railway museum is just there. I'm so excited. I'll turn you around so you can have a look at the entrance. Ooh, Mrs. There she is. There's the entrance. There's a road train. And just behind that road train, you can see the entrance to the Railway Museum, National Railway Museum. Fantastic. Let's have a look inside. Here you go. Perfect. They've even got the bullet in here, the Japanese bullet. Look at, I've seen it before in here, it's fantastic. Mandatory gift shop. Doubtless Fox will drag me in there later. Such a cool place. Look at them chomping at the bit there to get inside. Well, I am anyway. Are you excited? I am. Through there is heaven. So we are inside the museum now. I'm going to turn around and look at that behind me. All those trains in there. We're going to go in there and look in a minute. They've got the bullet in there. My favourite, the Mallard. I'll explain a little bit about Mallard when we go in there. She is beautiful. I'll tell you a little bit when we get nearer. So there's the Gladstone. Absolutely stunning. She's a royal train. Or was in the day. Look at them. Look how luxurious she is. Look. She just screams class, doesn't she? Absolutely stunning. And yes, I would train with a wife. I could probably live in the back of her. I could live in the back of her, so the carriages. Oh my god, but you know what? I'm thinking of this, as again as nice as this. What a beautiful train. Just an amazing building. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at this. Seriously, I think this is train heaven. Seriously do. Absolutely splendiferous. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Is that Gladstone carriages? Fox is begging me to look at this train, he's busting at the edges to get me to look at it. So once again guys, this looks like this is part of the royal carriage for the Gladstone. Take a look inside, hopefully in a bit. See how sumptuous and luxurious she is inside. So there she is, let's take a look. This is the royal carriage. Oh my word, look at that. How's that for opulent? Opulence and decadence, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, everything's padded. Come on to this one, you're right there, Willow. So this would have been carriage of Victoria, Queen Victoria. These are the royal carriages. And then the main part of the main carriages. So here guys, we've got the Queen Victoria Saloon. That was Queen Adelaide's saloon that we just looked in. Look at this, imagine Victoria sitting in here with Albert. It might have been post Albert actually. Just look at that, look inside there, it's just stunning. Picture of the Queen herself, the big lady herself up there.
Hello, big fella.
Victoria Saloon. And we move along here, you can see there's a sofa here. And a carriage.
Even if you were an Alvin Simon, you couldn't because of it.
Right in desk where she would have sat at probably. Just imagine her sitting in there, can't you? In the day. Look at that, boys and girls. Those are the Empire. Those Union Jacks do not make me proud. And of course, British engineering, British invention. Superb.
And that makes the
So
steam.
this is the Gladstone. Victoria's train again, still. You love driver. Just beautiful. Sorry. Absolutely stunning. She's up close. This one here, guys, is nicknamed the Crab. Let's look inside her in the driving compartment. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Just look at her. Beautiful, look at that. Now that's a fine piece of engineering. Fine piece of British engineering. When engineering in Britain were synonymous with each other in the day. That copper, guys. Let's have a look at her outside, shall we? So she's 1926 Quaritch. There she is. There she is on the Glorial Beauty. Let's take a meander around the other side. See if we can get a side view of her. There she is. What a stunning. Oversized tickets, guys. It must be for giants.
Come on, let's go find this TNT.
Beautiful railway clocks in here. Beautiful station clocks. This is the Crab again. It's a running gear. Look at that, guys. How's that for a model? What a beauty. So look behind her, shall we? There's another stunner. Derby plates. Absolute gorgeous piece of machinery. SWR over here, guys. Let's have a look at her. 245, absolutely stunning game. Seriously, guys, this is just, for me, this is heaven. Those who know me will know exactly that. What an absolute gorgeous machine. What a corker. Kids are on the Crab. How cool is that, Fox? It's a real train. It's a real train. How cool is that? Is it big? Is she big? It's humongous. You're the train driver?
Yeah.
Where are you taking us to? Willow, are you a train driver? Look, Willow, oh, I can't stand trains, they're boring. Look at her. Like a pig in mud. A pig in the proverbial.
Oh, hey, the head!
No, that's a boat.
Still your head.
Or can be. Look at that big cheesy grin on that big face. So this is a Midland carriage, guys. Look at that. Look at that dinner set. This is what I really want to do one day. If we win the lottery, I want to go on one of these real luxury train dinner trip things. You never know. Would you like to go on a real luxury dinner cruise train journey? I want two. Perfect.
Think about if you're
Fox is milking it up. He's drinking it up, boy. Drinking it up.
You're eating and then you go over a bump.
No, it's not like that. It's all smooth.
He goes, "Bum."
Smooth. Not like planes. So you hit an air pocket and your breakfast ends up all over you. Look at this. So this is the 3463. This is the Midland carriage, as you can see. Guys, from the Victorian cast iron toilet. Oh, I don't think it's a urinal in there. I think that is the urinal, isn't it? Let's go now, have a wee. Disgusting. Is there a toilet in there, Willow? No, see? There might have been at one point, but not now. Very cool though. Even the toilets were classy back then. What's gone wrong with this world? Right guys, we're going to go in the Pullman. There's Willow, she's ready for the off. We're going to go in the Pullman and have a bit of a rest.
Come on then.
I remember these carriages.
Let's just wait. I know.
Train that never moves.
Thank you.
We are going to.
I'm sitting on the Pullman now. It's very comfortable. It's just a bit of restitude, bit of time to ourselves. Are you enjoying it, Hazel? Whoa, look at that, boiling over with fun. What about you kids, you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good, excellent. So you get lots and lots of stuff from Dan's Haunted Cottage. Here guys, we have a Victorian post office carriage. Just go and have a look on the inside. Just waiting for the people to come off. So the little to the side, how cool is that? Go inside in a sec.
I feel like it's quality in the old market.
So inside the Victorian post office railway carriage. Look at those pigeonholes.
Each of these numbers is about if you got there, then you'd have to do
So there's the sorting office itself in the carriage. Mailbags, seating, pigeonholes for sorting mail. Beautiful. Just shame the cages are in front of it, guys, because that's an electric, an old electric, beautiful locomotive. As you know, I love my steam, but you know, I love all trains. So this is the Royal Scot, and then Hazel's on the bike with Willow trying to generate electricity, and there is the postal carriage in all the glory from this side. What a beautiful Royal train again, guys. There's some lights on in here. Just look at how luxurious that is. It's decadence, isn't it? But beautiful. Good Queen Victoria's writing desk and chair there. I wonder how many letters she sent from there. Of course, this was in the early days of steam, you know. This is when steam was striking the world, and it all struck the world from here, from England, Great Britain. Something to be proud of. Very proud of. Part of the reason I love trains. So this is what grabs me with trains, you know, guys. It's like engineering, British engineering at its best. We invented it. It's our baby. And steam trains seem to hail from a healthier and happier time. I'm probably waxing lyrical about a time that wasn't that great if you were poor. In fact, definitely wasn't. But from an engineering and advancement point, we were leading the world at this point. We were way ahead of anybody in everything. It's when Britain was great. It's when it got its title, Great Britain. From all those engineering projects and all of this wonderful, wonderful ingenuity that we brought to the fore. And trains hark back to that time. They hark back to a time when we were world leaders. We were at the forefront of everything, engineering-wise, technology-wise. And as for engineering scientists, we had some of the best in the world. I mean, you know, we had structural engineers and designers like Brunel, amongst a host of others. You know, we were blessed with that sort of people with those abilities and that intelligence and that technological. And every time I look at these trains, I see an era when Britain probably was, well, definitely was at its greatest. And it makes me proud. It makes me very proud that every time I look at one of these beautiful feats of engineering, that I think of England and Britain as it was. So yeah, I'm very proud of it. Apart from the fact that I just love the engineering of them, and I just love trains anyway. You know, I'm fascinated with them ever since I was a child, and Fox is getting to be the same way, really, irrespective of what he said this morning. So yeah, but we're going to look at one of my favourite trains, the Mallard, in a minute. And I'll tell you a little bit about her history, because she really is a turning point in steam, and she's also a turning point in technology and speed. So we'll go and see her in a little bit. Well, I've just had lunch here at the National Railway Museum. I'll get out in a minute, and it was every bit as good as British rail food has always been. It was absolutely, half of it was missing, and half of it was there was stale or just not very nice. Hazel, on the other hand, got herself some sausages and mash, didn't you? I could have, but I didn't. Anyway, I'll turn you around, have a look at Hazel, see what she's got to say about the matter. So you had sausages and mash.
I'm saying nothing.
What was your sausages and mash like?
The sausages were alright.
The mash was very school type, wasn't it?
Mash was a bit smashy.
It was smash. And there's the remnants of it, so she didn't do too bad. That is her third plate, actually, so she's done alright, really. In fact, oh look, there's a snack that she had while she was waiting between dinners, and there's her other snack that she had while she was waiting between the third dinner. So yeah. There you go. Oh, what are you doing, Fox? Fox is eating our pear. Or my pear, actually. Fox is eating my pear.
You didn't eat your pear, you had 2 bites and chucked it on the
bites
floor.
of my pear and then decided he didn't want it.
Despite the fact that other
Fox.
people wanted it.
Yeah, despite the fact that I was liked by 1 tomato and 1 egg on my, well, they called it a ploughman's lunch, but I think the ploughman would be anorexic if he lived on that sort of food every day. Anyway, back to the trains. Ignorant. Ignorant. Hello, Trouble. Outside now, guys. Obviously. Steam train rides over here somewhere. Did you find the steam train rides? Sorry? You did? Cool. Let's go on a steam train ride then. Some more engine sheds over there.
We've only done here,
I did say.
then we can go that way.
What's that for, guys?
Yeah, we went in there.
Where? Tell me.
We came in here and then
You
we just
did?
went in there.
Yeah, I did tell
We
you.
didn't go that way.
No. So now we're in the depot, guys. It's very pointless too. Look at that, you can even walk on the shingle.
Well, that's alright, but if it comes, we can get out of the way, can't we? We're really fast, yeah.
Fox, look at there. What are you doing? You want to get off of there? A train might come along.
No, they won't.
Might do.
We think it.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Ready?
Whoa. That's what happens when kids don't listen. When kids go wild. Hazel, you're like a modern day Green Cross Code man. But for railways.
Like an old fashioned Green Cross plane.
This is cool. Lovely feet walking on the ground. These are my beautiful feet walking on the beautiful railway line. It's Prince William up there. Some vloggers over there, look. They're vlogging. One of our own. One of our own. One of us. One of us. He and she are one of us.
Just be careful.
There you go, here's Prince William. She's absolutely stunning. I suppose she's a Prince William. Well, he's a Prince William, she's There you go. Commemoration of the birth of Prince William. Beautiful, beautiful. Old electric. Vloggers. There they are. There you see the lesser spotted train vlogger in his natural habitat of the National Railway Museum. We don't want to scare him, so we're going to just creep away slowly, ever so slowly. So she's the M515 56-2, gorgeous British Rail, in her glory, resting. Hazel touching things that she shouldn't be. Stop touching that train! Getcha! Leave that train alone. Naughty. Bad girl. So told.
So this is where you control the forward and telling you not to do that.
Sorry, I meant Agecroft. Agecroft's a beautiful, beautiful engine.